Hey fam, welcome back. Today we've got a quick and effective morning stretch to get your body moving and ready for anything. We're focusing on loosening up the neck, shoulders, legs, hips, and core. It's the whole entire body so you can feel amazing and stay injury free. Let's go! 2, 1. Let's start by loosening up the neck. Gently drop your chin towards your chest and roll your head side to side, making small half circles. Keep it nice and slow, letting the tension melt away. Breathe in as you roll and out as you release any tightness. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we're moving into shoulder rolls. Start with your right arm, making big circles backward. Feel the stretch through your shoulder. Now switch directions, circling forward. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the left side. Big circles backward and forward. This is perfect for loosening up those tight shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's widen our stance for toe touches. Stretch your arms out wide and twist, reaching your right hand towards your left toe. Come back to the center and now reach your left hand towards your right toe. Keep alternating, feeling that stretch through your hamstrings and lower back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From this wide stance, we're moving into side lunges. Hands on your legs, gently launch to the right and then shift over to the left. Take it slow and controlled, feeling the stretch in your inner thighs. Keep breathing as you flow side to side, warming up those legs and hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to pick up the energy a bit with some leg kicks. Stand tall and kick your right leg up, reaching for your toes. Now switch to the left leg. Keep alternating, aiming to get a little higher with each kick. This one's great for waking up the hamstrings and loosening up those hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's keep the blood flowing with side-to-side steps. Step to the right and bring your arms across your body, kicking your heel towards your glutes. Now, step to the left and do the same. Keep moving, fam. This one's perfect for warming up the legs and getting those arms involved. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time to give those hips some love. Stand tall and lift your right knee towards your chest, making a big half circle out to the side and back. Now switch to the left leg. Keep alternating, making those circles as big as you can, opening up your hips. This is a great move for improving mobility and balance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fam, finally, let's stretch it out with some side stretches. Reach your right arm up and over, stretching through your side body. Feel that stretch along your ribs and hips. Now switch to the left side. Breathe into the stretch, reaching a little further each time. This move feels so good after all that movement. Fam, this is a quick and effective warm-up that's perfect for getting your body ready to move. If you're feeling more loose and energized, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more routines like this. I'll see you in the next session. Stay moving and stay motivated. Peace out, fam. Let's go!